Hey guys, it's Clara. Just a super quick video to warn you about a Dollar Tree product. You know, I love me some Dollar Tree and I've been doing haul videos since 2014, but today one of their items failed me in a major way. If you haven't bought them yet, avoid buying the expandable barbecue fork. I tried it today. After giving it a quick wash with dish soap, my hands were black. I didn't do anything out of the ordinary. I used regular dish soap with cool water, and unfortunately, while washing it, had somehow splashed some of the ink onto my dress that I was wearing for Memorial Day. Hours later, as I'm now making this video, the ink hasn't fully come off my hands. I looked up how to treat the stain according to Martha Stewart, and although most of the ink dots have come out, there still is a noticeable spot. Anyway, I'm not trying to throw hate at the Dollar Tree. I know that there are a lot more things in the world to get all hyped out about, but I still wanted to warn you. It's not like this is going to deter me from shopping at the Dollar Tree, and hopefully I'm the only person who experiences this. Several of you have already given me advice about how to fix it, but if you haven't bought this fork yet, this would be one item I would say is worth buying it elsewhere. I know Kroger and Target have the exact same thing. If you did already buy it, I know that most Dollar Trees do not accept returns, but will allow for an even exchange if you'd like to buy something else. Anyway, guys, I know this is an odd kind of video for me. I'm sorry for being a bummer. Just wanted to warn you. Thanks for watching and take care.